Rudo was 8 months pregnant. Every morning, she woke up hoping to see her husband's face beside her, but most mornings, there was only an empty pillow. Tawanda had stopped coming home regularly. Sometimes he disappeared for 2 days, sometimes 3, and whenever Rudo asked where he had been, she already knew she wouldn't like the answer.
Tawanda, where were you last night?
Don't start with your questions this early in the morning.
Your phone has been ringing. Who is Shamiso?
Why are you checking my phone?
I wasn't checking it. The message came while you were standing there.
You're pregnant, not a detective.
Is there another woman? There another woman. You promised you'd come home early.
I don't remember promising you anything.
I was worried. You didn't even call.
Rudo, I'm tired.
You're always tired when I ask where you've been.
Don't push me.
I'm only asking because you're my husband. You hit me?
Next time, don't provoke me.
I can't believe you hit me.
Rudo, are you okay?
Yes,
Your face.
I hit myself against the cupboard.
Day 1. Rudo eats alone. Day 2. She sits outside, holding her belly B. Day 3. She wakes up at night, feeling the baby move. Tawanda still hasn't returned.
The person you are calling is unavailable.
Please pick up.
The person you are calling is unavailable.
Stop disturbing me. I'm busy. Don't worry, my baby. Mommy is here. Does your wife know about us?
She knows nothing.
And the baby?
That's her problem.
But she's carrying your child.
I didn't ask her to make my life difficult.
Rudo, we need to go to the hospital.
Call Tawanda.
He's not answering. I'll try again.
He doesn't care.
The baby is okay, but you need to rest. Stress isn't good for you. Is everything okay at home?
No.
Why are you sitting in the dark?
I went to the hospital.
And?
The doctor said I need rest.
Then rest.
Where were you?
I told you, I was busy.
With Shamiso.
You went through my phone. You think because you're pregnant, you can control me?
No. I thought because you were my husband, you would protect me. Don't touch me. You have hurt me enough. You disappeared when I needed you. You insulted me. You brought another woman into our marriage.
Where do you think you're going?
Somewhere my child and I can be safe.
You'll come back.
I kept waiting for you to become the man I married, but I finally realized I can't build a family by myself.
Rudo, I made mistakes. I lost everything.
No, Tawanda. You lost us.
Can you forgive me?
I forgive you, but forgiveness doesn't mean I have to return to the life that destroyed me.
Rudo, I need somewhere to stay. I will help you find somewhere safe to stay.
After everything I did? Because I don't want to become like you.